Hello everybody, a very good afternoon to all of you. Today in this video we will discuss about resorption in bone. Okay. First of all, we have to discuss what to mean by resorption. What resorption actually means. Resorption is one of the process during which the skeletal tissue, especially bone, is degraded. After degradation of bone, the minerals are transported to the blood for transport, while the matrix, residual matrix is released out. And specially this resorption is carried out by osteoclast cell. Osteoclast cell. We know osteoclast cells are special cells which are multinucleated cells present near osteoblast layer. Prior to osteocytic cell, the osteoclast cells are present. Okay. So we have to go through this process in detail. What happens? First of all, during the process of resorption, the osteoclast cell first get activated. After the osteoclast cells become active, they enter into the process of started degrading the bones. Then what are the importance? It help in shaping the bone, it help in shaping the bone, it help in dissociating the bone having unusual growth, it stop or degrade unusual growth, degrade unnecessary growth, unnecessary growth. It also help in sending out, maintaining concentration of minerals in bone. So these are the basic needs for resorption. This takes place during resorption. Okay. Let us ask what is the actual process of degradation, actual process of the resorption. Okay. First, the resorption involve three different processes, that is alteration in osteoclast cell, then removal of mineral, then degradation of matrix. These are the three different processes that is carried out during the process of. First of all, from this mechanism, the first mechanism is alteration of osteoclast cell. What do you mean by alteration? What is alteration? The alteration deals with the change in shape of osteoclast. The osteoclast produces a ruffled border. It produces a ruffled border and a sealing zone. So, a ruffled border, then production of sealing zone. What do you mean by ruffled border? What is ruffled border? This osteoclast cell, suppose this is the bone, when the osteoclast cell come near to it, it produces numerous teeth-like process. It is called as a ruffled border, ruffled cell. And next to ruffled zone, this is sealing zone. This sealing zone is a clear zone. It do not have any type of cell organelles and other biomolecules of cell, so that it is a free zone. Then nucleus are present to this zone. Okay, this is the osteoclast modification. The first process is over. Then come to second step, second mechanism. The second mechanism is the process of, what is it? The process of removal of hydroxyapatite crystal removal of hydroxyapatite crystal. How it is removed? Okay. After changing of shape, HCl produced from osteoclast cell. The HCl changes the pH up to 3. So the medium became highly acidic. At this highly acidic medium, what happened? At this highly acidic medium, the resorption cause the minerals degrade. It degrade the minerals. After degradation of mineral, they directly enter into the circulatory system. Okay. After degradation of mineral, when they enter into circulatory system, finally what happened? The last mechanism is degradation of organic matrix. Degradation of organic matrix. What happened? When the mineral component degraded and entered into circulatory system. Two important enzymes, metalloproteinase and shortly called as MMP and cathepsin. These two enzymes, matrix metalloproteinase, then cathepsin, they causes removal of matrix from the bone by the process of exocytosis. Here the vesicles are formed. The vesicle release the organic matrix from the bone. Okay. So this is all about the process of resorption. The resorption takes place by three mechanisms: by alteration of osteoclast, then removal of hydroxyapatite crystal, making it acidic medium, then the degradation of matrix. Okay. Thank you all. Please like and subscribe this video for the further inquiries. Thank you all again.